In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your device name in Figma. Understanding how to effectively use device frames in Figma is a fundamental skill for any designer, especially when you're working on responsive designs or preparing prototypes for presentation. Device frames provide a realistic context for your designs, allowing you to visualize how your interface will appear on various screens, from mobile phones to tablets and desktops. This isn't just about aesthetics. It's crucial for usability testing and stakeholder feedback, ensuring your designs look and function perfectly across different environments. The device name here refers to the specific model or type of device frame you select for your canvas. Let's dive into the first step. To begin, you'll want to locate the Frames tool in Figma. This is typically found in your toolbar at the top of the interface. It often looks like a small square icon, sometimes with a plus sign, symbolizing the creation of a new frame. Once you click on this icon, a drop-down menu will appear on the right-hand side of your Figma canvas, under the Design panel. This menu presents a wide array of preset frame options, neatly categorized for different purposes. Look for the phone, tablet, desktop, and watch categories. Under these categories, you'll find various specific device frames, such as iPhone 15 Pro Max, Google Pixel 8, MacBook Pro 16, or even iPad Air. Take a moment to browse through these options. When you find the one that best suits your current design needs, perhaps you're designing for a specific iPhone model, simply click on it. As soon as you click, a new frame will instantly appear on your canvas, perfectly sized and proportioned to that chosen device. This initial selection is critical as it sets the stage for your design work. Now, it's quite common for designers to select an initial device frame only to realize later that it's not quite right. Maybe the dimensions don't match your target audience's most common device, or perhaps you've shifted focus from a mobile-first approach to a desktop view. This brings us to our second step. If you're not satisfied with your initial choice, it's very easy to change it. Instead of deleting the existing frame and starting over, which can disrupt your workflow, simply select the frame you wish to modify on your canvas. Once selected, look over to the right-hand Design panel again. You'll notice that the Frame section there now displays the current device name, for example, iPhone 15 Pro Max. To change this, just click on the current device name displayed in that panel. This action will once again open the very same drop-down menu you saw in the first step, presenting all the available device frame options. You can then effortlessly choose another device frame, like iPad mini or desktop, from the list. The selected frame on your canvas will immediately adapt to the new dimensions and proportions of your chosen device. This flexibility allows for rapid iteration and ensures your designs are always presented in the most relevant context, saving you time and effort in the long run. Remember, experimenting with different device frames helps you understand how your design elements respond to varying screen sizes and aspect ratios, ultimately leading to a more robust and adaptable user experience. And there you have it. A straightforward way to select and adjust your device frames in Figma to perfectly match your project's requirements.